Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FAZRUL bin AZHAR. My number matric is 1812218894. Okay, today I will talk about my company, which is the Colbert Enterprise. Okay, Colbert Enterprise is an electronic company that innovate refrigerator using artificial intelligence (AI) and Internet of Things (IoT) technology. Our company mission is to produce a refrigerator that free chemical waste, eco-friendly, and then use high technology such as AI and IoT technology itself. Then our company vision is to be leading in producer of high technology refrigerator, then generate a healthier life by nurturing using this technology. Okay, our company objective is to ensure company produce a high technology refrigerator, then disseminate the importance of healthy food intake in our nutrient. Then the last one is strong financial capabilities. Okay, for concept development, as you can see at the picture, okay, we use the monitor screen and the AI itself in the refrigerator. First, on how to use it, you just put your hand on the screen, and then it will scan your hand and tell us about our body and what we need to take in our body. The AI and IoT technology will be installed inside the refrigerator. Then for supplier, we choose the GC company, which is the company that supplier us so much about electronic device. Then the second one is Intel. Intel is our supplier about software and AI technology itself. Intel also help us in programming the AI technology. Okay, for the sales forecast, in 2021, we managed to sell 275 units, which is each of them is priced at 3,000 ringgit Malaysia. So the total sale that we get from year 2021 is 825,000 ringgit. The total cost for all the product is 409,980 ringgit 75 cent. So the profit that we get is 415,016 ringgit. For the year 2022, we managed to sell 290 units, which is the price is still same at 3,000. So we managed to sell 870,000 ringgit. So the profit that we get is 437,653 ringgit from the product that we sell. Okay, for the employees, for the office worker, we have 4 staff that work at the office. They work from Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. Then we also have the production workers. The production staff, they work at the production stage from Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. So the total staff that we got is 14 staff. Okay, for market growth, Colbert Enterprise growth strategy is to be able to create more creative technology for product and improve product quality. It also plans to expand the technology it employs to improve the production quality of electronic product and produce product that are superior to the product introduced. So indirectly, the company technological advance can be leveraged to increase its influence in the electronic business, which could also impact other electronic companies in Malaysia. At this company, the technology used to manage electronic device is widely accessible, as the company that we receive outsourced product has moved to Malaysia to continue production of the technology in Malaysia. Okay, for the break-even point, Cobalt Enterprise might sell 144 unit of refrigerator for the break-even and begin the profit. Okay, the total cost for monthly is about 231,200 ringgit. The price per unit is 3,000. Okay, that's all that I can tell you a little bit about our company. That's all. Thank you.